Welcome to Dr. Jaya's Virtual School. Like School Level 4. Academic Week 7 Maths. Coordinate graphs. Coordinate graphs. Review. Graph points on a coordinate plane. Relative coordinates and coordinate graphs as maps. Dear friends, we will also discuss about the data, charts and graphs on reading a table, interpreting line graphs, creating line graphs, interpreting bar graphs, creating bar graphs, interpreting line plots, creating line plots, frequency charts, stem and leaf plots, circle graphs, and choosing the best type of graph. Coordinate graphs. Coordinate graphs review. Where is the purple trapezoid? We can say the y-axis and x-axis. So it is on 1 and 3. We have to read from down now. First on the right side 1 and 3. Start at 0, count right until you are under the purple trapezoid. It is 1, right. Now count up until you reach the purple trapezoid. It is 3 up. The purple trapezoid is at 1, right, 3 up. So write the answer as an ordered pair. The first number tells you how many to count right. The next number tells you how many to count up. The purple trapezoid is at 1, 3. Graph points on a coordinate plane. Graph the point 7, 7 on the coordinate plane. From 0 start towards the right, go up to 7 and then again go up to the 7 on upside count, and where both the points meet, there you have to put the coordinate plane. Relative coordinates. How do you get from 2, 1 to 4, 0? Now first count 2 on the right side and then go up as 1. So you get from the 2 you go still 2 more to get 4 and then 0 there. So it is on the right 2 down 1 is at correct relative coordinate. Coordinate graphs as maps. What is at 1, 6? 1 you have to do from down and then 6 on the top. Now what is at 1, 6? 1 here and 6 there. So we can just say what it is, grocery store. Charts and graphs. Data, charts and graphs. Read a table. Look at this table. In the 1980s, how many more Nobel Prize winners did France have than Italy? If you find it, Italy had in 1980s 3 and France had 5. So there are 2 Nobel Prize winners more in France than Italy. So we should know how to read a table. Interpret line graphs. Prices of a liter of oil. In which year did a liter of oil cost rupees 50? In 2001 it costed rupees 50. Create line graphs. An economist analyzes the price of a barrel of oil over a number of years. Use the data in the table to complete the line graph below. Prices of barrel of oil, 2001 it is 200, 2003 it is 250, 2005 it is 500 and 2007 it is 800. So we have to tell which year it is done. Year-wise it should be written. Interpret bar graphs. Look at this graph. Bean bag loss. Blues are hits and reds are misses. So how much it is loss? How many losses did E have? So red is misses. So it had 50 losses. Create bar graphs. During Environmental Week, the Centreville School District surveyed students to find out whether they rode the bus, biked or walked or carpooled or rode a scooter to school. Use the data in the table to complete the bar graphs below. Now here it is done. The red ones are the girls and yellow ones are the boys. Now you can find who has done the carpool and ride a scooter or bike. They are representing. Interpret line plots. A game show program recorded the scores of its contestants. Scores on a quiz show are: how many contestants scored 5? You count each contestant who has scored 5 are there, 6 are there, 7, 8 and 9. There are 9 points are scored by 1 contestant, 8 points are scored by 2 contestants, 7 points are 3 contestants, 6 points are also scored by 3 contestants and 5 points are scored by 5 contestants. Create line plots. Mr. Lorry's art class counted the number of finger puppets they had made. Use the data in the tally chart to complete the line plot below. We can find out how many are there making finger puppets made are 0, 1, 2 and 3. Number of children made, you have to complete this chart. Frequency charts. Mr. Robbins, the English teacher, had his students track the number of books they read last month. Reading books last month, books read and frequency. How many students did not read any books last month? There were 5 of them who did not read any book. Stem and leaf plots. Look at this stem and leaf plot. How many magazines had at least 89 pages? Now pages for magazines. Stem, there are 9 stems are there and in each there are leaves too. First stem had 59 leaves. Then second one had only 1. 6th one had 3. 7th one had 8. Now totally you have to put it and how many magazines? 89 pages. If we put it, how many of them will have? Circle graphs. Favorite snacks. Now here is the thing: first quarter, second quarter, third. So there are 7 quarters in the circle. What fraction does one section in this circle graph represent? It is 1 by 7. Choose the best type of graph. Which is the best type of graph to show the number of pages in each book on the bookshelf? Whether it is pictograph, circle graph, stem and leaf plot, or double bar graph. It is stem and leaf plot. Welcome to Dr. Jaya's Virtual School. Like School Level 4. Academic Week 8 Maths. Logical Reasoning. Logical Reasoning. Guess two numbers based on sum and difference. Guess two numbers based on sum, difference, product and quotient. Find the order. Patterns. Geometry growth patterns, increasing growth patterns, numeric patterns, word problems, patterns involving addition and multiplication, mixed patterns review. Guess two numbers based on sum and difference. The difference of two numbers is 3 and their sum is 9. What are the two numbers? If to find out this, we know the sum is 9 and then one number is 3. So if you subtract 3 from 9, the number is 6. So the answer will be 6 and 3. Guess two numbers based on sum, difference, product and quotient. The sum of two numbers is 15 and their quotient is 4. What are the two numbers? Now the sum of two numbers is 15 and their quotient is 4. Means which number is divided? The quotient is a divisor. So if 12 is divided by 3, we get quotient 4. And then 12 and 3 are added, we get the sum as 15. So the numbers are 12 and 3. Find the order. Preston spent less money than Jaisal. Preston did not spend less money than Cooper. Who spent the most money? Now there are three people now. Jaisal, Cooper and Preston. Now Preston has spent less money than Jaisal. And Preston did not spend less money than Cooper. Means both have spent the equal number. So who has spent more money? Because Preston has spent less than Jaisal and he has spent equal amount as Cooper. It is the Jaisal. Patterns. Geometric growth patterns. Type the missing number in this sequence. Now the sequence is 1, 3, 9 and the missing number and then 81 and 243. So this sequence tells you that one number is multiplied by the other number. So 1 is multiplied by 3, so it is 3. 3 is multiplied by 3 again, so it is 9. So it has to be multiplied by again 3. It will be 27, because 27 multiplied by 3 is 81 and 81 multiplied by 3 is 243. So the missing number is 27. Increasing growth patterns. Type the next number in this sequence. 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16, 22, 29. This pattern shows you it is just the addition of the numbers. Now 1 and 2 is only 1 is added, but 2 and 4 is 2 is added. 4 and 7 is 3 is added. 7 and 11 is 4 is added. 11 and 16 is 5 is added. 16 and 22 is 6 is added. 22 and 29 is 7 is added. So next will be, you have to add 8 and that will be 37. and in that way you can go on adding the numbers. Numeric patterns, word problems. The flower shop displays a different number of roses in the front window every month. It displayed 15 roses in December, 20 roses in January, 25 roses in February, 30 roses in March, and 35 roses in April. If this pattern continues, how many roses will the flower shop window display in May? The pattern shows that every month 5 roses are more. So in that way, if April has 35, May will have 40. Patterns involving addition and multiplication. What is the next number in this pattern? Rule multiplied by 3, then add 2. So every number you have to multiply by 3, then you have to add 2. Now for example, you have 1 multiplied by 3 is 3 plus 2 is 5. And 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 multiplied by 3 is 51 and plus 2 is 53. So in that way we have to go on. 1457 should be multiplied by 3, then add 2. Mixed patterns review. Type the next number in this sequence. 4, 6, 10, 16, 24 and 34. In this pattern, if you see, the first one is added 2, then 4 is added, then 6 is added, then 8 is added, then 10 is added. Means the addition goes on adding 2 to 2. So now the next number should be adding 12, and that will be 46. Welcome to Dr. Jaya's Virtual School. Like School Level 4. Academic Week 9 Maths, Money and Measurements. Money. In this math session, we will be dealing with money. The different aspects of money that we will be doing in the problems: compare money amounts, round money amounts, add and subtract money amounts, add, subtract, multiply and divide money amounts, making changes, price list with addition and subtraction, price list with multiplication, and unit prices. Here are some symbols which help you to know equality and inequality, a larger one or a smaller one. The first sign is equal, the next one is not equal, greater than, less than. The blue one is greater than and the red one is less than. The other blue one is greater than or equal, or less than or equal. Compare money amounts. Which sentence is true? Whether 769 and the blue sign and 769, or 157 or the red sign and 275, or 723 equal to 849, or 801 blue sign than 778. In this we know that the blue one is greater than and the red one is less than. So we can easily say the 157 is less than 275. So that sentence is true. Round money amounts. What is 86 rupees 89 paisa rounded to the next 10 rupees? We have here 4 answers: 90 rupees, 80 rupees, 87 rupees and 86 rupees. Because it is more than 85, we round it to the next digit, and that is 90 rupees. So 90 rupees is the correct answer. Add and subtract money amounts. Now add rupees 8,950 plus rupees 3,580, or the same thing can be subtracted also. When you add, it will be the sum of the total. When you subtract, it will be minus. Add, subtract, multiply and divide money amounts. For example, 9,655 rupees can be divided by 5 rupees. And what we get the answer is we have to divide it like the normal numerical division. Making change. Ellen purchased a frying pan costing rupees 925. She gave the cashier 10 rupees. How much change did the cashier give back to Ellen? She gave the cashier 10 rupees and she purchased a frying pan costing 9 rupees 25 paise. So she got the change 75 paise. Price list with addition and subtraction. How much money does Kenjo need to buy a jar of tomato sauce and a bottle of vinegar? A jar of tomato sauce costs 10 rupees 55 paise and a bottle of vinegar costs 6 rupees 40 paise. So total of the two, Kenjo needs rupees 16.95 paise. Price list with multiplication. How much money does Harry need to buy 2 train tickets to New Delhi? The train ticket to New Delhi costs 622. Train ticket to Bangalore costs 934. To Bombay it costs 611. To Chennai it costs 230. And to Calcutta it costs 116. So Harry needs how much? Now his ticket to New Delhi is 622 and he needs 2 tickets. So multiply with 2. The total is 1244 rupees. Unit prices. A 2-pack of juice boxes cost rupees 18. What is the unit price? Because 2 packs there are 2. For 2 it is 18 rupees, for 1 it will be 9 rupees. Measurements. The history of measurement systems in India begins in early Indus Valley civilization with the earliest surviving samples dated to the 5th millennium BCE. Since early times, the adoption of standard weights and measures has reflected in the country's architectural, folk and metallurgical artifacts. A complex system of weights and measures was adopted by the Maurya Empire, which also formulated regulations for the usage of this system. Later, the Mughal Empire used standard measures to determine land holdings and collect land tax as a part of Mughal land reforms. The formal metrication in India is adopted to April 1st, 1957, when the Indian government adopted the International System of Units. the 7 SI base units and the interdependency of their definition. Kelvin is used for temperature. Second unit is used for time. Meter is used for length. Kilogram is used for mass. Candela used for luminous intensity. Mole is used for amount of substance, and ampere is used for electric current. And the symbols for them is Kelvin K, second S, meter M, kilogram kg, candela CD, mole MOL, ampere A. Here are the measurements of SI and the imperial, the metric system and the imperial system. In metric system we have milli, centi, deci, deca, and hecto, and kilometers or kilo. Imperial, in length we use inches, feet, yards, chains, and furlongs. Measurements. Compare and convert customary units. Compare and convert metric units. Compare customary units by multiplying. Convert mixed customary units. Add and subtract mixed customary units. Convert between metric and customary units. Here are some of the tables that tell you about the quantity and SI metric unit and equal customary units. Compare and convert customary units. Convert 1 pound to kilograms. So it will be 0.454 kilograms. Compare and convert metric units. Which is more, 100 liters or 1 hectoliter? Neither, or they are equal? They are equal. Compare customary units by multiplying. A bottle of nail polish has a volume of 3 teaspoons. Is the volume of 2 nail polish bottles greater than 1 tablespoon? One tablespoon is equal to 3 teaspoons. Find the volume of 2 bottles of nail polish. Multiply 2 times the volume. That is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So the volume of 2 bottles of nail polish is 6 teaspoons. Now compare 6 teaspoons to 1 tablespoon. The volume of 2 bottles of nail polish is more than 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon is the same as 3 teaspoons. So 6 teaspoons is more than 3 teaspoons. So 6 teaspoons is more than 1 tablespoon. So it is more. Convert mixed customary units. Convert 7 pounds 8 ounces is equal to how many ounces? 1 pound has 16 ounces. 16 into 7 will be 112 ounces plus 8 ounces will be 120 ounces. Add and subtract mixed customary units. Subtract 7 pins 1 cup minus by 2 pins 1 cup is equal to 5 pins 0 cups. Convert between metric and customary units, which is about equal to 5 centimeters. 2 inches or 10 inches. Because almost 2.5 centimeters is equal to 1 inch, it will be 2 inches. Welcome to Dr. Jaya's Virtual School. Like School Level 4. Time. In this session, we will be doing converting time units, add and subtract mixed time units, fractions of time units, time zones, elapsed time, find start and end times, multi-step word problems, transportation schedules, and time patterns. Convert time units. Convert 168 hours into days and hours. For one day we have 24 hours. So we have to divide 168 hours with 24 hours. Then you get 7 days and 0 hours. Add and subtract mixed time units. Subtract 3 days 20 hours minus 6 hours. From 20 hours, if we minus 6 hours, we get 14 hours and 3 days. So 3 days 14 hours. Fractions of time units. How many minutes are in 1 by 15 of an hour? If in 1 hour there is 60 minutes, if 1 by 15 of an hour, 60 by 15 means there will be 4 minutes in 1 by 15 of an hour. Time zones. If it is day in the eastern side, it will be night in the western side. Let us see, let us compare the daytime in New York, Chicago and Cupertino. All will be in the daytime. New York, if it is afternoon 3:17, it will be early morning 3:17 in Hong Kong. If it is 12:17 in Cupertino, it will be 8:17 in Cardiff. If it is afternoon in Chicago 2:17, it will be night 9:17 in Cape Town. Elapsed time. Look at this clock. The time shown here is 11:40. What time will it be in 12 hours from now? It will be 11:40 in the night. If it is daytime, it will be night. Exactly, our day is divided into 2 halves, 12 hours apart. Find start and end times. Multi-step word problem. Tessa and her friends went to a movie on Saturday. They left the house at 6:05 p.m. It took 1 hour 10 minutes to drive to the theater, and they arrived 1 hour and 15 minutes before the movie started. What time did the movie start? Let us work it out. Now 6:05 in the evening they started from home, and it took 1 hour 10 minutes for them to reach the theater. So it will be 7:15, and they reached 1 hour 15 minutes before the movie started. So it was 7:15, and after 1:15 it started. So 7:15 plus 1 hour 15 minutes means 8:30. So the movie started at 8:30 p.m. Transportation schedules. Look at the following schedule. Here is the train schedule. If Isaac is at the Deer Valley at 10 a.m., How soon can he get to Portsmouth? Now, for example, he is at 10 a.m. and there are, indeed, well, if trains are, 5 trains are there, 6, 6:30, 7:15, 9:15 and 11 a.m. When he reaches Deer Valley only at 10 a.m., he can catch the train at 11 a.m. Then how soon can he get to Portsmouth? If 11 o'clock he takes it, Portsmouth, he has a train scheduled at 3 p.m., 3:30, 4:15, 6:15 and 9 p.m. If he is starting at 11 a.m., he will reach only at Portsmouth at 8 p.m. Time patterns. Which is the missing time? If there is a time 1:30, 2:15, 3 o'clock, 3:45, so there is a regular interval of 45 minutes. So previous to 1:30 the time will be 12:45 because there should be 45 minutes difference. Welcome to Dr. Jaya's Virtual School. Like School Level 4. Academic Week 11 Maths Geometry. In this session of Geometry, we will be identifying planar and solid figures, types of triangles, open and closed shapes and qualities of polygons, which two-dimensional shape is being described, which three-dimensional figure is being described, classifying quadrilaterals, number of sides in polygons, count and compare sides, edges, faces and vertices, similar and congruent, nets of three-dimensional figures, acute, right, obtuse and straight angles, angles of 90, 180, 270 and 360 degrees, measure angles with a protractor, estimate angle measurements, adjacent angles. Identify planar and solid figures. Which of these is a trapezoid? Types of triangles. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. The 3 angles always add to 180 degrees. Equilateral, isosceles and scalene. There are 3 special names given to triangles that tell how many sides or angles are equal. There can be 3, 2 or no equal sides or angles. Equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides, 3 equal angles, always 60 degrees. Isosceles triangle, 2 equal sides, 2 equal angles. And scalene triangle, no equal sides, no equal angles. So here is a triangle. What kind of triangle is this? This has no 3 equal sides or 2 equal angles. So it is scalene triangle. Open and closed shapes and qualities of polygons. Is this shape open or closed? Because it has 3 sides and the 4th side is open, so this is an open shape. Which two-dimensional shape is being described? Indigo sister drew a shape that has 8 sides and 8 angles. Which shape could she have drawn? Now here are 3 pictures which has many sides and 8 sides is a octagon. Which three-dimensional figure is being described? Lily saw a three-dimensional figure. It had a square base. Which figure could Lily have seen? Now here are the different shapes, three-dimensional figures. Now only cube has a square at the base. So she would have drawn cube. Classify quadrilaterals. Which words describe this shape? Choose all that apply. It is a parallelogram, there is a quadrilateral, and there is a trapezoid too. Here are different shapes of quadrilaterals. Number of sides in polygons. How many sides does a pentagon have? 5. Count and compare sides, edges, faces and vertex. Which figure has more edges? Square, rectangle or circle, hexagon or a heptagon, or triangle or pentagon or octagon? Octagon. Similar and congruent. Look at this shape. Select all the shapes that are congruent to this one. Nets of three-dimensional figures. Which net will make a triangle prism? Here are many nets. A triangle prism can be made by a triangular shape net, so that is a red triangular net. Acute, right, obtuse and straight angles. These are the types of angles. Acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. Right angle is an angle that is 90 degrees exactly. Obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Straight angle is an angle that is 180 degrees exactly, and reflex angle is an angle that is greater than 180 degrees. So are these angles acute, right, obtuse or straight? Angles of 90, 180, 270 and 360 degrees. Draw and write which is how many the degrees. Measure angles with a protractor. Is this angle acute, right or obtuse? Estimate angle measurement. What is the measure of this angle? Choose the best estimate. Adjacent angles. What is the value of Q? Welcome to Dr. Jaya's Virtual School. Like School Level 4. Academic Week 12 Maths Geometry. In this session, we will be discussing about parts of a circle, perimeter, area of squares and rectangles, area of complex figures, compare area and perimeter, relationship between area and perimeter, volume. Area and perimeter will determine the cost. Rotational symmetry, line symmetry, lines, line, segment and rays, parallel and perpendicular, intersecting lines, and calculating radius, diameter and circumferences. Parts of a circle. The mid line from one end to the other is called diameter. Half of it are from the diameter, midpoint of diameter to the other side, it is called radius, and the whole side is called circumference. So what is perimeter? Think of it as the outside edge of a yard. You can also consider the perimeter as a fence. Perimeter is found by adding all the exterior edges, that is sides, of any polygon. Always write the formula of perimeter: side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4 plus side 5 and so on, or P is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 plus S5 and so on. Area. Think of it as the grass part of a yard or the wall. Area for a square or a rectangle if found by multiplying the length, that is the base, by the width, that is the height. The answer always has the word square after it. Always write the formula area is equal to base into height, or A is equal to B into H. Area is also to be thought about it in a proper way. Think of it as a grass part of the yard or the wall. Area of a square or a rectangle is found by multiplying the length base by the width height. So answer always has the word square or a small 2 after the measurement. Always write the formula area is equal to base into height, or A is equal to B into H. Area of squares and rectangles, B into H. Since B is a square, so area is equal to B square. For a square, same length and same width, all four sides of a square are the same length. And for a rectangle, there will be a different length and a different length and the size. So a rectangle is like a stretched square. Perimeter of different figures. For example, triangle, the area and perimeter to be calculated. Area to be calculated is A is equal to B and H, breadth and the height, by 2. And the circumference, perimeter, is calculated P is equal to Mn plus Np plus Pm. Parallelogram, it is A is equal to B into H and P is equal to DE plus EF plus FG plus GD. Rhombus, A is equal to B into H and P is equal to B plus B plus B plus B plus P is equal to 4 B's. Rectangle, area is equal to length into width and perimeter is length plus width plus length plus width, or P is equal to 2L plus 2W. Square, A is equal to 1 square, our perimeter is P is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, or P is equal to 4 ones. Trapezoid, A is equal to B plus B into h by 2. Perimeter will be P is equal to Mn plus Np plus Pr plus Rm. Circle is equal to A is equal to pi r square, or C circumference is equal to 2 pi r is equal to pi d. Area of complex figures, we have to calculate it in a different way. The red square and the blue square have to be calculated differently, and then we have to add them. Like A is equal to I into W, and A1 is equal to 6 inches into 5 inches. So that is the length into width is equal to 30 inches square. A2 will be 3 inches into 2 inches, that is 6 inches square. So A plus A and A2 is 30 inches square plus 6 inches square will be 36 inches square. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a figure, and area is the amount of square units inside a figure. Each figure has area and perimeter. Relationship between area and perimeter. Now perimeter is all the four sides, and area has to be multiplied length by width. Volume of sphere, cube, rectangular prism and cylinder. Each has a different formula. Sphere has a volume of pi d squared by 6, and cube has a formula of volume is equal to A3, and cylinder has pi d square h by 4, and rectangular prism has V is equal to ABH. So volume is the three-dimensional space occupied by an object, that is the height, width and length. Area and perimeter determines the cost of the area. Rotational symmetry looks equal the whole circle. Lines of symmetry looks exactly the opposite side will look how it looks the other side. Means the left side and the right side looks the same. Lines, line segment and rays. A ray is 2, 7 means starting from down to up with the arrow. Parallel lines are both the lines running parallelly, one up down the other. Acute angles are not parallel lines. Line segments you have, for example, 7 and 3 are the line segments. Intersecting lines is one line going across the other line. Dots, letters also work in geometry. Circles. Think of a pie. What shape do you see? A circle. Therefore, when working with any shape containing a circle, you will use pi, pronounced pi. Pi is written, and that is 3.14 or 22 by 7. Circumference is like the perimeter, the part of a wheel that touches the ground. Circumference is pi so x diameter. Area is the inside of a pizza, so area is pi into radius. Parallel, perpendicular and intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are one line cutting across the other line and going, it intersects. Parallel lines are going parallelly, not touching anywhere. Perpendicular line is cutting each other exactly in the center. Calculate radius, diameter and circumference. The blue line is the diameter, red line is the radius, and the circumference is the around the circle and center of the circle. From there you start the radius. Calculate radius, diameter and circumference. Area of a circle is equal to pi into radius square. Circumference of a circle is pi into diameter. Remember that the diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Two radiuses will make one diameter.